Guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 537. Application verifier has found an error in the current process. Error verifier stop on your Windows 11 and Windows 10 system. The first workaround is right click on start button and choose device manager. Device manager window will now open. Here look for any faulty device driver having yellow color exclamation sign against it and find out such type of any device driver. In my case, no any such driver found. For example, if you any found, simply expand it and right click on it and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. Apply this process for all your faulty driver having yellow color exclamation sign against it and look for such type of faulty driver and update driver. Search automatically for drivers. Close the windows and check whether your system error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open control panel in your system. Here under available control panel items, scroll down and click on programs and features. And here find out recently installed updates, programs and features. If you have installed any recently programs, then select it and choose uninstall. There may be a possibility of such type of apps after installation error code appeared. The next workaround is go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. Command prompt windows will now open. Here execute the command as shown on screen. Execute these three DISM tool one by one, followed by enter key on each time. DISM online cleanup image scan health, DISM online cleanup image check health, and DISM online cleanup image restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt windows. And after that, execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and it will repair them accordingly and wait till 100% verification complete. After that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, open control panel again. And here look for the option recovery, click on it. On the next page, choose open system restore. Restore system files and settings page will now open. Here click on next. Here choose a system restore point. Restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. Select it. You may choose the option show more restore points and choose a restore point and click on next. On the next page, choose a drive in which you want to create a backup of your restore. Select it and click on next. And finally, confirm your restore point. Choose finish and let the window complete the system restore and your problem should be definitely